Good evening, everybody. So, the topic is life is more painful than death. First of all, I would like to focus on the word than. It means comparison. So, I would like to say that there is no comparison between life and death. We shouldn't compare life with death because life means we have all the activities happenings, but death means it's an end. Okay, after death there's nothing left, but now we have the word life and it's painful. Yes, it is, obviously it is painful because life from birth, from our birth, life starts. So from the beginning we have to see a lot of things. Like if I talk about pain, means there are failures, there are many obstacles, everything is there, but we have to see, we have to change our perspective so that we can enjoy our life, because who wants to die? Okay, who wants to die, and who wants our dear and near wants to die? No, none wants that. So we know it is painful. After that also we choose our life to live. Actually we choose to live. None wants to die. So why? Because in everything, all the means, besides all the pains, so we have to find our own peace in that.
Right.
Yeah, because there are so many people who are having a blissful life, and there are so many people around us who are having the worst life according to us.
Yeah.
So we can't think about ourselves only.
So it is a mixed bag of joy and sorrow.
Yes. So now you will ask that how is it possible when I am suffering? It's not possible that to think that no, it's very much positive. We have to gain the positivity out of the pain. It's very much difficult. So now here I can say that you can meditate, you can go for meditation, you can go for some spiritual practice, but
Meditate. I know meditate you told us only.
Sorry,
Meditate.
meditate.
I could not
Yeah.
understand it.
So,
All right.
so I can say that, but now it's not it's not an easy task to do
Right.
at first.
Now let me put a
Yes.
question to you. Now you said that as long as you live,
Yeah.
that long you suffer. Sometimes you enjoy. Sometimes it is a mixed bag of joy and sorrow.
Yes.
Now, after death, the first phrase we utter, that is RIP, rest in peace.
Yes.
Why do we say so? Rest in peace. Whoever dies, we say rest in peace. As long as one lives, do this, do not do that. Be aware of that. Okay, all right. Take precautionary measures. Or every day this way, that way, one will be in danger. This all the time we alert that person. But rest in peace. That means eternal peace. That is after death only, sir. So don't you think life is more painful than death? Once you die, please, peace, peace, and peace. That is rest in peace. Everybody dies. So rest in peace. We do not use any other phrase. Only rest in peace. In T20%, that is RIP, RIP. But ultimately, rest in peace. Understand?
Yes. See, as you said
Hmm.
that after death we have peace and peace. It's really wrong. It's
Now, why do we say? Now, my question, wrong. Why do we say? Everybody says.
that's why we pray for that after
Hmm.
death you might rest in peace.
So,
Because
it is-
none knows what will happen after death.
If you do not know, then why? It is not a universality side. Deep. So do you think everybody is wrong? You said is wrong. Do you think everybody is wrong?
Wrong means after death what will happen? Who knows? That's
But
why
why? My question is why do we say so? Why do we say? Why do all the people say so? That is my question.
Whenever
Is everybody wrong?
Yes, when I'm losing somebody,
Hmm.
if somebody dies,
Hmm.
that means I'm losing that person.
Right.
So what after death, I have no connection with that person.
Right.
Okay. So after death, why should I say something negative about that person?
Yes.
After death, rest in peace. What will happen? I don't know. Okay, so that's why I will choose this life. Why after death?
I don't know why we say anything. We should not, if there is nothing, we should say nothing.
Okay, then why?
But we
What should I say? That
should not say anything.
why
Should not say. Why should it positive or negative? But you are commenting.
See, there is a let me talk about some spirituality. Okay,
Okay.
this body, as we have talked about this thing a lot of times, that is spirit doesn't die. Okay,
Right.
now it will after death it will take another body,
Yes.
another living thing.
Oh.
So now where that spirit will go, we don't know.
Right.
That's why we pray
Right.
that rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Yes.
Okay.
Which body the spirit will take?
Right.
Maybe it can be a monk, it can be a criminal, we don't know. So that's why
What about the intermediary place? The intermediate place is there. Just from one line up here, immediately you don't pass into another line. See,
Oh.
you have to remain, of course, in the intermediate state for some time. That's what limbo. You have to remain in limbo.
Okay.
And that is what is imagined as heaven or hell. Now you're saying that the person has done something good, so he's going to spend the rest of his life after death, of course, in heaven. And if you know that he's a criminal, then you know very well that the person is going to spend the time in hell. So that particular part, that is for the period of your death. Then you are no more on this earth or on any planet, for that matter. And that period that he is referring to as a peaceful time. Here you disagree with him.
see now there is no person in this on this planet who has done only good things. Okay, everybody has done something good, something bad. So we can't judge like that. Yes, if there is something like that, as you said, then obviously after if my enemy, suppose there is an enemy of mine, if my enemy dies, okay, I will I know very well what that person has done to me, what was the activities that person did against me. But after death, that period, as you talked about, then I will want that if rest in peace means that period of time, obviously I want that only that span of time that person should get the result, or should get to know about
Don't you forgive?
sorry.
Don't you forgive?
Yes, obviously, if I don't forgive, then I can't say rest in peace. If after death I keep on cursing that
You are
person,
saying that I know that the person will get his due deserts.
obviously that there is, I am no one to punish that person and give the good results, bad results. I am none. I
So you
can.
have the power to pray, and your prayer is very sharp and strong.
Yes, that's the prayer. Rest in peace. Okay, I am not saying to that
That's
person.
a better time than this lifespan.
Yes, why not? In that period of time, if whatever the person is getting, that is good, that is bad, it's obviously for his.
One question. Everyone wants to go to heaven.
Yes.
But
I
nobody wants to
don't
die. Why? Why is this kind of paradox?
Right.
I want to go to heaven, but I don't want to die. Without dying, how is it possible for you to go to heaven? If anybody asks you, do you want to go to heaven? You say, yes, of course I want to go to heaven. But if anybody asks you, do you want to die? You say, no. Immediately you told everybody wants to leave. So why don't you want to die?
If somebody is saying that I want to go to heaven, then I want to ask that person, what is the meaning of heaven to you? Okay, if that person says heaven means everything is good, everything is very beautiful around me, then you can get that thing in life also. Means while living on this planet, you can feel the heaven around us. Heaven doesn't mean means so beautiful nature or flowers around you. That's nothing but a fairy.
How can you do justice to your today's topic? The topic is that period is better than this lifespan. So if that is the better period, so you are saying that you will turn this period, the period of life, into heaven, and then the subject matter will be upside down.
Sir, I didn't say that after death, that's very beautiful. I said none knows what will happen after death. So let's choose life, because here you have the have the ability to do everything. Okay, so if you want to, if you have done anything wrong, you have the chance, you have the second chance to rectify it. But whenever you die, this life ends. After that, what will you do? I'm not saying that here life ends. You will get a different life, you will get another life if it is there. But in this life you are living, so think about this life.
Thank you, Aratika, for your